Hoy, en Planeta Camion, te presentamos la nueva gama del Volvo FH, que al cumplir 20 años se renovó por completo. En esta segunda parte veremos su diseño, seguridad, rendimiento y las conclusiones de los directivos de la marca sueca. Así comienza esta edición. Auspician este programa Volvo Trucks and Buses, Driving Progress. Volkswagen, tecnología alemana.
Enamórate de su capacidad, confort, potencia y seguridad. Enamórate de tu nueva compañera de trabajo. Nueva Sprinter de Mercedes-Benz.
En Iveco desarrollamos mejores productos, ampliamos nuestra red de concesionarios y te ofrecemos el mejor servicio, porque constantemente pensamos en vos. Iveco, por tercer año consecutivo, el camión preferido de los argentinos.
Auspicia Hale, desde 1901, sinónimo de excelencia. Ruta 3, kilómetro 66, 300 Cañuelas. Teléfono 0054 22 26 43 1820. haletrailer.com. Comenzamos a recorrer esta segunda parte del nuevo Volvo FH16 y empezamos desde el diseño. Según Volvo Trucks, lo que se necesita para diseñar un camión son sensaciones, puesto que se trata de la combinación de lo que dictan el corazón y el cerebro. Con estos elementos y la palabra autorizada de los conductores plasmados en un gran trozo de arcilla, el Departamento de Desarrollos creó los nuevos FH. Este es un mensaje clave. Es un error común del diseño pensar que solo lo importante es la apariencia. No se trata solo del color y la forma o de la estética. Se trata de mucho más. Richard Orell describe el diseño como el factor de interconexión que crea un conjunto cohesivo de un gran número de partes específicas. Es por eso que no hay conflicto entre diseño y funcionalidad. Por el contrario, el diseño siempre busca que sean lo más funcional posible. Se ha cambiado todo en este camión, y aún así se logró mantener el ambiente típico de Volvo, capturando la herencia de la antigua cabina FH.
The new FH series is really one step towards our vision sustainable transport solutions. It contains not only a lower fuel consumption, but also lower emissions and thereby a lower environmental impact.
The environmental features of the new Volvo FH series have a strong focus on energy efficiency. One of the major innovations is the self-learning system IC, which is designed to help the intelligent transmission iShift when driving up hills.
You can say that the iShift now has been equipped with eyes. The first time a route is traveled, the road topography is recorded, and the coming times the same route is driven. This information is used to control speed, gears and brakes in order to use the energy in a more fuel-efficient way. This can save as much as up to 5% fuel. And since IC saves a lot of fuel, it saves a lot of money for the haulage companies.
The FH series also comes with Volvo Trucks' new Euro 6 engine, which lowers the nitrogen oxide emissions by almost 80% compared to Euro 5. The particle emissions are cut in half. And on top of that, Volvo Trucks' completely new driveline, the iTalk, will hit the market in the autumn of 2013. It will radically improve the truck's fuel efficiency. But in order to improve energy efficiency, the truck needs more than an effective engine and transmission. The air drag also needs to be reduced, and the aerodynamics of the new Volvo FH series have been thoroughly tested and improved along the way.
We see that our truck owners, their customers and society in whole have set challenging environmental objectives. We see that these environmental features will not only be a qualifier for business, but also give them an advantage. So it's good for environment and it's good for business.
The cab of the new FH series has a completely new design. It's bigger, safer, and more ergonomic for the driver.
I would like to describe the new Volvo FH cab as a completely new standard in the truck industry. It's built around the driver while he's driving and also when resting and living in the truck. It's outstanding.
One of the key factors when developing the new cab has been to improve driver ergonomics. The result is a more comfortable seat, which can be taken back an extra 4 centimeters. A neck tilt function has also been added to the steering wheel, which further enables the driver to find a relaxing position. By raising the A-pillars and lowering the engine tunnel, Volvo Trucks has also been able to create a lot more room.
The new FH cab is almost 1 cubic meter larger than current FH. That means that even I, that is almost 2 meters tall, can stand straight in this cab. And that is good news for all tall drivers.
The bigger cab also means that the survival area for the driver is bigger too. Other safety improvements include an escape hatch, which can be used if the cab doors are blocked. The hatch also works as a sunroof, allowing more light in the cab. The instrument panel has a completely new design, which improves both ergonomics and safety for the driver, since buttons and controls are now always close to their fingertips.
The idea behind the design of the new dashboard is of course that we should have everything easy access from the driver while driving, so he doesn't need to take his eyes off the road.
Naturally, the colours and the materials in the cab have been carefully chosen to harmonise with the overall sense of Volvo quality.
Quality is one of Volvo's core value, and we never compromise with that one. And it's reflected in this new Volvo FH cab, both when it comes to design and functionality. I think the drivers will love it in the future.
Ya salió Planeta Camión Revista número 53. Descubrí en cada detalle el nuevo Scania 250 para distribución, un semipesado de clase. Además, un minucioso informe sobre cajas de velocidades, el pilar de la transmisión. Conocé al nuevo DAF XF, un camión que podría llegar a la Argentina. Y también en esta edición, más sobre vitrenes, las claves del diseño de los nuevos Volvo, los Iveco que ganaron el mercado, los Magnum de Renault para la Fórmula 1, concesionarios y postventa, el desafío de la logística verde, oferta de bandas de la más alta calidad. Y en esta edición, Ford Camiones te regala un llavero metálico espectacular que no te podés perder. Tu kiosco ya la tiene. Se agota.
With a large range of technical systems that minimize the risk of accidents ever happening, and a strong structure that protects the driver and other traffic occupants in case of an impact, the new Volvo FH series is the safest Volvo ever built.
Safety is something we've had with us since day one. It's part of our heritage, and today it's one of our most important core values. The new FH series is really truly state-of-the-art when it comes to safety, because we've put all our knowledge into this new product.
Functional design is key when it comes to safety. And one of the main improvements in the new Volvo FH series is that the cab is 1 cubic meter bigger. This means that the survival area for the driver is also bigger. Other improvements include an escape hatch in the roof, which can be used if the cab doors are blocked after impact. The rear-view mirrors also have a new design and are mounted on slender arms, which reduces the driver's blind spots. In total, the cab's usable window area has increased by 17%.
Well, when it comes to visibility, which is a very important part of a driver's everyday work, we have looked into the mirrors, and you can see there's a completely new design, so it's easy to actually see past them, but at the same time you have a very good rear view vision.
A European study shows that over 90% of all accidents between trucks and other road users are due to the human factor. But only 25% of these are caused by the truck driver. That's why Volvo Trucks already offers its customers a huge range of active safety features, like lane-changing support and driver alert support, which ensures that the driver's attention stays on the road. To prevent accidents, all these features are also available in the new Volvo FH series. If an accident does happen, the driver needs to be protected. The new Volvo FH series has been subjected to a large range of crash tests, which correspond to common real-life accidents. The most extensive is the full-scale barrier test, where a complete truck is crashed. Here, everything is tested, from how the exterior and interior structures are damaged to how the dummy is injured and how the electric systems are affected. Uniquely to Volvo Trucks, the Swedish impact test is also performed.
The test we have done in this project has shown that we have reduced intrusion, we have made the door module more stiff and function, and we also have reduced the impact on the knee area for the driver. So the important safety message for this new cab is that we have had the possibility to test almost every new thing, and that's why we can say this is the safest Volvo ever built.
I'd say the most important thing with this new truck is that it's a driver's dream. You have perfect handling, perfect control of the vehicle, and that's put together with the good visibility and so on, and that we are also caring for everybody else in the traffic environment. This is how a truck should be.
Auspician este programa Herman, con alma de acero. Ibecam, concesionario oficial Iveco. Automotores Aedo, concesionario oficial Mercedes-Benz. Guillermo Simone, Sociedad Anónima, concesionario oficial de Ford Camiones, en transporte un aliado de peso, ventas, repuestos y servicio en los principales puntos de la provincia de Buenos Aires. Nueva sucursal, Avenida 44 y Ruta 36, Lisandro Olmos, Tandil, Mar del Plata y Bahía Blanca. www.simonecamiones.com.ar. ventascamiones@simone.com.ar. Ya salió Planeta Camión Revista número 53. Descubrí en cada detalle el nuevo Scania 250 para distribución, un semipesado de clase. Además, un minucioso informe sobre cajas de velocidades, el pilar de la transmisión. Conocé al nuevo DAF XF, un camión que podría llegar a la Argentina. Y también en esta edición, más sobre vitrenes, las claves del diseño de los nuevos Volvo, los Iveco que ganaron el mercado, los Magnum de Renault para la Fórmula 1, concesionarios y postventa, el desafío de la logística verde, oferta de bandas de la más alta calidad. En esta edición, Ford Camiones te regala un llavero metálico espectacular que no te podés perder. Tu kiosco ya la tiene. Se agota.
A long-distance truck in Europe loses €1 in revenue for every minute that it's stationary. Therefore, the new Volvo FH series has been equipped with an innovative communication system, which will maximize the truck's uptime. The new truck is also more quality assured than ever before and has been through a number of tough tests in which both its durability and reliability are assessed.
The purpose with doing all these tests during all this time is, of course, to create a product with extremely good quality, which in the end will give a very high uptime for the customer.
However, after spending hours and hours on the road, some wear and tear is inevitable. With Telematics Gateway, an innovative communication system included in the new Volvo FH series, workshops can now monitor a truck's status online. They can access information about the battery and the brake pads, as well as read diagnostic trouble codes. This way, a large number of unplanned workshop visits can be avoided. But regardless of smart systems and high-quality standards, trucks do have unplanned stops. And when they do, the new Volvo FH series is equipped to handle it. On the dashboard, a Volvo Action Services on-call button has been installed.
With the VAS button, we are with you whatever happens. By just pushing the button, the customer gets through to our call centre.
The European call centres are available 24/7, 365 days a year, and the personnel speak 18 different languages. Through the Telematics Gateway, they will receive all the available data about the truck remotely.
Today's solution with the VAS button is much better because it gives us an overall picture straight away of the driver, the vehicle, the diagnostic trouble codes, and most importantly, the location of the vehicle. That is the main benefits that we have today, which cuts down lead time, creating uptime.
The new Volvo FH series also means a brand new Volvo FH16. The top-of-the-line truck, often referred to as Volvo Trucks' flagship vehicle. Almost 20 years have passed since the first Volvo FH16 was launched on the market. It has always been the crown jewel in the Volvo model lineup, the ultimate choice for customers who need top engine performance, great productivity, and for whom the right image is important. Over the years, the demand has just kept on growing.
The development of the new FH16, just like all other product development, is based on customer needs. The needs for heavier loads has made us continuously improve the FH16, make it stronger, more fuel efficient, without compromising with the environment.
The word productivity is key when it comes to the new Volvo FH16, as it is for the whole transport industry today. The truck comes with a large range of engine options, the biggest being 750 horsepower, and it can manage a heavier cargo than ever before.
Productivity, simply put, is that our customer wants to move as much goods as possible in the shortest time frame as possible. And if you are driving an environment with high mountains, for instance, you need the torque and the power to be sure that you're keeping that high average speed. And the FH16 is the perfect tool for doing that for the heavy transport segment. But of course, we also have prestigious customers that really want to drive the best. Not only the best looking truck, but also the best driveline to have the ultimate driving experience. And we also see that kind of customers buying this truck.
The new Volvo FH16 also has greater power at lower RPM. For the truck operator, this means a gentler, calmer and less wearing drive. To enhance its image of strength and power, the new Volvo FH16 is jet black with a silver grille. The interior textiles also have unique designs, which add to the truck's style.
We are very proud of this new FH16, not only because it's very productive or have a high engine performance, but also because we want to provide the drivers with the best driver experience, and we are sure we have succeeded with that with this new FH16.
Auspiciaron este programa.
En Iveco desarrollamos mejores productos, ampliamos nuestra red de concesionarios y te ofrecemos el mejor servicio, porque constantemente pensamos en vos. Iveco, por tercer año consecutivo, el camión preferido de los argentinos.
Renault Trucks, eficiencia, innovación y calidez. Volvo Trucks and Buses. Driving Progress. Volkswagen. Tecnología alemana. Auspicio. Hale, desde 1901, sinónimo de excelencia. Ruta 3, kilómetro 66, 300 Cañuelas. Teléfono 0054 22 26 43 1820. haletrailer.com.
Enamórate de su capacidad, confort, potencia y seguridad. Enamórate de tu nueva compañera de trabajo. Nuevo Sprinter de Mercedes-Benz.
Guillermo Simone, Sociedad Anónima. Concesionario oficial Ford Camiones. En transporte, un aliado de peso. Nuevo Ford Cargo, podés con todo. El mejor precio y financiación para toda la línea. Nueva sucursal, Avenida 44 y Ruta 36, Lisandro Olmos, Tandil, Mar del Plata y Bahía Blanca. www.simonecamiones.com.ar. Ventas camiones @simone.com.ar.